So I'm Jenny Matthews, and I'm actually a radio personality here in Kansas City. I do the morning drive with Mike Keller and Jenny Matthews on Q104. And, I'm in radio and in the public, and I love my job. We do a segment on the air where we bring in dogs from a local animal shelter and try to get them adopted out on the air. And I love that. It feels good to try to help the shelter dogs and help the community. And we had a dog in that he just got spooked. And he lunged at me and latched onto my face and detached my nose from my face. And it was the scariest thing I've ever been through, and really hard for me personally because I'm a huge dog lover. So I went to the emergency room, and I knew that my nose was detached because I felt it happen. And so I was told that Dr. Camerata would be doing my plastic surgery. And I just said a prayer and said, please let this be a great doctor. And my prayer was answered. He is incredible.
And I was called, I was actually in the middle of another surgery. So she was in the emergency room at North Kansas City Hospital. And we got done with the procedure that we were doing and canceled a few other cases so we could go up and see her and treat her. It was a pretty involved laceration that involved the top side of her nose across the top, and then the side portion nares, and that was completely lifted off. It also involved all the cartilages in the tip of the nose and down the center of the nose. And so it took a little while, it was probably a couple hours in the operating room of repairing all those tissues, both inside the nose and on the outside.
He is incredible. His bedside manner, the way he treated me in the hospital, to all of my aftercare. I can tell he pays attention to detail and wants my face to look as good as it can. And I gotta tell you, I am amazed what it looked like that day and how horrified I was. And just being in the public eye and being a radio personality and with social media and all the things that go with that these days, I was really scared. One of my first thoughts, I don't want to sound vain, but am I going to look okay? Is this going to really affect my appearance? And the fact that he worked his magic like he did on my face, I will be forever grateful. Everyone at Aesthetic Surgical Arts is incredibly kind, complimentary. I would come in and again, it's my face. And as it was healing, I would come in and just feel encouraged by the nurses and just about how my progress was going. I'm telling you, I couldn't have asked for a better doctor or a better place to go. This was a completely unexpected, one of the scariest situations I've ever been through in my life. And to say I'm grateful for the care from Dr. Camerata and from Aesthetic Surgical Arts, enough can't be said about it. Thank you.